looking a good deal more confident, I think, Harold Wimpole, as the score is at 11 and England's total 216 for 5. Well, 85 overs have been bowled, but it's still Solvers from the City end to bowl to Dexter, with Wall in the slips and Kanai in that leg slip. And the first one, Dexter gets back and crashes it to Wade mid-on, where Hunt fields, and there's no run. Solvers again to Dexter, and Dexter drives him hard back into the ground, and Solvers does well to field it, close getting out of the way of the non-striker end. And England's total remains at 216 for 5, and Solvers in to bowl to Dexter again. And this one is dug out York length. Dexter